Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Gracious, your relationship and sex coach. Now in this channel, I'm going to be focusing more on the guys, relationship advice to men. I'm going to help you guys unlock ladies to understand them better. That is my focus in this channel. Now today I'm going to tell you how to know if a woman loves you, likes you, how to tell if she likes you. Now if a woman likes you, these things I'm going to tell you are the things that she would do. They are easiest of signs to spot out. So if that lady has been behaving this way, just have it in mind that she likes you. If she hasn't been practicing any of these points that I'm going to mention, there are 9 of them. If she hasn't been doing anything relating to whatever I'm going to talk about in this video, free her, man. She is definitely wasting your time. Now there are so many girls out there that would appreciate your time more. I think you should dedicate your time more to them than wasting your time on a woman that is playing with you. She don't want that for yourself, because time waits for no man. No time to waste time. So if any lady is wasting your time, move on. All right, leave her. She is not deserving you or your time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys how to know if a lady likes you. 9 signs that shows that she really likes you. If she has been behaving this way, you're lucky, man. If you can't figure out if a girl definitely likes you, you are not alone. Women can be hard to read, which is why figuring out how to tell if a girl likes you can be so incredibly confusing. But once you know exactly each signs to look out for that proves she's interested, you will be able to read them loud and clear. While there are many subtle hints women give off when they are into you, these are top signs that shows a girl likes you. And luckily, they are certainly some of the easiest to spot too. The first point is that her friends and family know about you. If a girl is interested, she's not shy when it comes to speaking about you to her friends. After all, women tell their girlfriends everything. She will pick up the phone with her buddies when you call, and she doesn't hesitate to let them know when she's inviting you to gatherings with her friends. This means she sees a future with you and will ask their approval. Same is true when it comes to her family. If she introduces you to her family, that is another good sign that she really likes you and wants you in her life. The second point is that she reschedules a date she can't make. If a girl is into you, she would want to see you again. She would be willing to reschedule the dinner you planned that overlaps with her girls' night. If she doesn't like you, she'll do everything she can to make you feel like she's so busy and cannot be bothered. Eagerness is a confident sign that a woman is into you, and she will take time to make plans with you regardless of her busy schedule. When a girl likes you, she makes herself available to you. The third sign is her body language is inviting. Some girls are the opposite of nervous when into a guy. You can tell a girl is into you by the way she positions herself. She will turn her entire body towards you when you're speaking. She will find any excuse to touch you or be in your general vicinity, even though she might not make the first move. She would want you to by placing her hand close to yours. If she's into you, she won't pull away when you move closer to her, and she won't recoil when you place your arm around her. Be careful though, as you don't want to overdo this. Make sure she feels comfortable so things won't turn awkward. The fourth point is that she remembers things you tell her. She might be into you if she not only pay attention, but shows you that she's been listening to you by bringing up conversations that you spoke about days ago. She will make little inside jokes with you based on the things you've said to her. Even the little dumb things she'll remember. Because if she's into you, she'll find everything about you intriguing. She's mindful of what you're going through. Whether you have a big game or stressful deadline at work, she'll make note of, or maybe she'll even give you a little space. The fifth sign is that she makes time for you. One sure sign a girl likes you. She makes time for you in her busy schedule. It's so simple, but it's one of the very best ways to tell if a girl likes you. A sign that a girl likes you is when she makes herself available regularly, whether it is in person, on a phone call, or sending you a sweet text. After all, if she didn't, why would she bother? The sixth sign is that she copies your movements and gestures. Is she copying your mannerism or using your slang? This is a sure sign of attraction. For example, if she smacks like you do or uses that one word you use often, she's most likely interested. Imitation is a form of flattery. The seventh point is that she opens up to you and encourages you to do the same. When a girl is interested and feels comfortable around you, she will seek opportunities to tell you details about her life that not everyone knows. As you're getting to know her better, notice if she lets you into this lesser-known side of her. If so, the rapport between you two is high. Another indicator, she's really interested in your past, asking for stories about your childhood and upbringing. The eighth sign is that she laughs at everything you say. You might be full of dad jokes or last year's memes. If a girl is playing with her hair and laughing at your jokes, it's a good sign she likes you, since humor is a good indicator of positive relationship. Even though your jokes might be infamously corny, she will still find them funny when she wants you to know she's interested. If she's engaging in conversations with smiles, jiggles, and playful banter, there is a good chance she is attracted to you. The last point, but not the least, you're starting to see her dorky side. If she's comfortable around you, her little squirk will start to show. She will let herself act silly and goofy around you. If she's showing you her silly side, make her even more comfortable by doing the same. Allowing her feel accepted can increase your chances of scoring another date. So these are my top 9 points or signs that really shows that a girl likes you. So if you spot these in your woman, just know that she likes you, okay? You don't need to go ahead and ask her, because she might not want to tell you. We are so shy to do that. So these are guides that will really help you to know if your woman or that girl likes you. If you love my content and you would want me to keep uploading such content, kindly let me know by hitting on the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. Now check the description box. There are videos that I feel that you might love to watch, and my second channel too. You might love videos that are in that channel, because there I let loose and I talk about sex. So if you're into sex or you're having challenges when it comes to sex, make sure you check the description box. Check out my second channel, because you might love the videos that I have uploaded there. Now hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Leave a comment for me on the comment section. This is a new channel. Help my channel to get to others. Help my channel to grow by liking, sharing my videos, and leaving a comment. Engage with the video so that YouTube will show more people my video. Till then, I'm going to see you in my next video.